नमस्ते सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक स्वागतम्. A warm welcome to all the attendees of Sri Lalita Sahasranama chanting session. I wish you all a very happy and safe Deepavali. Deepavali parvanah shubhashayaha. Deepavali parvanah shubhashayaha to everyone. We will start with the Guru Shloka, then we will do the Dhyanam, then we will discuss on the agenda for today. Gurureva gatihi gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guru gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guru gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guru paramam shishurasmi guru matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. Dhyanam. Sinduraruna vigrahan trinayanam manikya maulispurat taranayaka shekharam smitamukhi mapinava kshoruham panibhyamani purna ratna chashakam raktotpalam vibhrati saunyam ratna ghatasthara charanam dhyayet paramambikam. Yesterday I had told that we will do a revision of some of the pronunciation tips, but Kshamyatam, today we will not be able to do because the example file that I had has some technical issues, so we will postpone it to either tomorrow or day after. So Kshamyatam, apologies for that. So what we will do today is we will do the revision of the shlokas what we learned in last 3 days, and we will also learn a couple of new verses. So that's the agenda for today's session. So I will start with the first 5 shlokas, 5 verses, and then we will move on to the 101st verse, and from there on we will do the revision. Shri Mata Shri Maharajni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Deva Karya Samudyata Vudyadbhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya Krodhakarangkushojjvala Manorupekshukodanda Panchatanmatra Sayaka Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala Champaka Shoka Punnaga Saugandhikala Satkacha Kuruvindamani Shreni Kanat Kotira Mandita Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja Dalika Sthala Shobhita मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषका. So we'll move to the 101st verse. कालरात्र्यादिशक्त्यौघवृता स्निग्धौदनप्रिया महावीरेन्द्रवरदा राकिण्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. मणिपूराब्जनिलया वदनत्रयसंयुता वज्रादिकायुधोपेता दामर्यादिभिरावृता. रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा गुडान्नप्रीतमानसा समस्तभक्तसुखदा लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. स्वाधिष्ठानाम्बुजगता चतुर्वक्त्रमनोहरा शूलाद्यायुधसम्पन्ना पीतवर्णातिगर्विता. मेदोनिष्ठा मधुप्रीता बन्धिन्यादिसमन्विता दध्यन्नासक्तहृदया काकिनी रूपधारिणी. मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढा पञ्चवक्त्रास्थिसंस्थिता अंकुशादिप्रहरणा वरदादिनिषेविता. मुद्गौदनासक्तचित्ता साकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. आज्ञाचक्राब्जनिलया शुक्लवर्णा षडानना मज्जासंस्था हंसवती मुख्यशक्तिसमन्विता हरिद्रान्नैकरसिका हाकिनी रूपधारिणी. सहस्रदलपद्मस्था सर्ववर्णोपशोभिता सर्वायुधधरा शुक्लसंस्थिता सर्वतोमुखी. सर्वोदनप्रीतचित्ता याकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. स्वाहा स्वधामतिर्मेधा श्रुतिस्मृतिरनुत्तमा. Shivani, 5 shlokas from here.
पुण्यकीर्तिः पुण्यलभ्या पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तना पुलोमजार्चिता बन्धमोचनी बन्धुरालका विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या वियदादिजगत्प्रसूः सर्वव्याधिप्रशमनी सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी अग्रगण्या चिन्त्यरूपा कलिकल्मषनाशिनी कात्यायनी कालहन्त्री कमलाक्षनिषेविता ताम्बूलपूरितमुखे दाडिमी कुसुमप्रभा मृगाक्षी मोहिनी मुख्या मृडानी मित्ररूपिणी नित्यतृप्ता भक्तनिधिर्नियन्त्री निखिलेश्वरी मैत्र्यादिवासनालभ्या महाप्रलयसाक्षिणी
Vibha.
पराशक्तिः परानिष्ठा प्रज्ञानघनरूपिणी माध्वीपानालसामत्ता मातृका वर्णरूपिणी महाकैलासनिलया मृणालमृदुदोर्लता महनीया दयामूर्तिर्महासाम्राज्यशालिनी आत्मविद्या महाविद्या श्रीविद्या कामसेविता श्रीषोडशाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका कटाक्षकिङ्करीभूतकमला कोटिसेविता शिरस्थिता चन्द्रनिभा भालस्थेन्द्रधनुः प्रभा हृदयस्थारविप्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका दाक्षायणी दैत्यहन्त्री दक्षयज्ञविनाशिनी
Shivani, continue from here. Shivani, we are not
श्रूयते वा?
इदानीं श्रूयते.
दरान्दोलितदीर्घाक्षी दरहासोज्ज्वलन्मुखी गुरुमूर्तिर्गुणनिधिर्गोमाता गुहजन्मभूः देवेशी दण्डनीतिस्था दहराकाशरूपिणी प्रतिपन्मुख्यराकान्ततिथिमण्डलपूजिता कलात्मिका कलानाथा काव्यालापविनोदिनी सचामररमावाणी सव्यदक्षिणसेविता आदिशक्तिरमेयात्मा परमा पावनाकृतिः अनेककोटिब्रह्माण्डजननी दिव्यविग्रह क्लीङ्कारी केवला गुह्या कैवल्यपददायिनी त्रिपुरा त्रिजगद्वन्द्या त्रिमूर्तिस्त्रिदशेश्वरी
त्र्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता उमा शैलेन्द्रतनया गौरी गन्धर्वसेविता विश्वगर्भा स्वर्णगर्भा वरदा वागधीश्वरी ध्यानगम्या परिच्छेद्या ज्ञानदा ज्ञानविग्रहा सर्ववेदान्तसंवेद्या सत्यानन्दस्वरूपिणी लोपामुद्रार्चिता लीला क्लुप्तब्रह्माण्डमण्डला अदृश्या दृश्यरहिता विज्ञात्री वेद्यवर्जिता योगिनी योगदा योग्या योगानन्दा युगन्धरा इच्छाशक्ति ज्ञानशक्ति क्रियाशक्ति स्वरूपिणी सर्वाधारा सुप्रतिष्ठा सदसद्रूपधारिणी
Continue.
अष्टमूर्तिरजा जैत्री लोकयात्रा विधायिनी एकाकिनी भूमरूपा निर्द्वैताद्वैतवर्जिता अन्नदा वसुधा वृद्धा ब्रह्मात्मैक्यस्वरूपिणी बृहती ब्राह्मणी ब्राह्मी ब्रह्मानन्दा बलिप्रिया
Tamam. I think we stopped at this verse yesterday. So we'll continue from the next one. Bhasha Rupa Brihatsena Bhava Bhava Vivarjita Sukharadhya Shubhakari Shobhana Sulabha Gatihi. So we have Bha is a Mahaprana, Shra is a Shanmukha Shra, Bhasha Rupa, Ru is a Dirgha. So actually in this first name, the first word, all are Dirghaksharas. So, Bhasha Rupa, Bhasha Rupa, Brihatsena. So, we have then Bhava Bhava Vivarjita. So, this Bha and another Bha, Mahapranaksharas. Then we have Bhava Bhava Vivarjita. There is a Ditvam happening here. Sukharadhya, Ka is a Mahaprana. Again, we have a Samyuktakshara. So, again you can see Sukharadhya, Advitvam. Shubhakari, Bha is a Mahaprana. And Shobhana, Bha is a Mahaprana. Sulabha, again Bha is a Mahaprana. So, we have a lot of Bha in this verse. Gatihi ends with a Visarga in this verse. Okay. So, Vibha, you can repeat after me. Bhasha Rupa
Bhasha Rupa Bhasha Rupa
Brihatsena
Brihatsena Brihatsena
Bhasha Rupa Brihatsena
Bhasha Rupa Brihatsena Bhasha Rupa Brihatsena
Bhava Bhava Vivarjita
Bhava Bhava Vivarjita Bhava Bhava Vivarjita
Bhasha Rupa Brihatsena Bhava Bhava Vivarjita
Bhasha Rupa Brihatsena Bhava Bhava Vivarjita Bhasha Rupa Brihatsena Bhava Bhava Vivarjita
Sukharadhya
Sukharadhya Sukharadhya
Shubhakari
Shubhakari Shubhakari
Shobhana
Shobhana Shobhana
सुलभा गतिः
सुलभा गतिः सुलभा गतिः
सुखाराध्या शुभकरी
सुखाराध्या शुभकरी सुखाराध्या शुभकरी
शोभना सुलभा गतिः
शोभना सुलभा गतिः शोभना सुलभा गतिः
सुखाराध्या शुभकरी शोभना सुलभा गतिः
सुखाराध्या शुभकरी शोभना सुलभा गतिः सुखाराध्या शुभकरी शोभना सुलभा गतिः
भाषारूपा बृहत्सेना भावा भावविवर्जिता सुखाराध्या शुभकरी शोभना सुलभा गतिः
भाषारूपा बृहत्सेना भावा भावविवर्जिता सुखाराध्या शुभकरी शोभना सुलभा गतिः भाषारूपा बृहत्सेना भावा भावविवर्जिता सुखाराध्या शुभकरी शोभना सुलभा गतिः
उत्तमम्. Here we have Bhasha Rupa Bruhatsena, then we have Bhava Bhava Vivarjita, so 3, and then we have Sukharadhya Shubhakari Shobhana Sulabha Gatihi. As per Saubhagya Bhaskara, this is one name. Shobhana Sulabha Gatihi is one name. So in some of the books, however, this Shobhana Sulabhagatya is given. Some places Shobhanayai Namaha Sulabhagatyai Namaha. So it is split also. But as per Saubhagya Bhaskara, it is one. Shobhana Sulabhagatihi is chanted together. After Shubhakari, Shobhana Sulabhagatihi is one. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Next one, Raja Rajeshwari, Rajyadayini, Rajyavallabha, Rajat Krupa, Rajapitha Niveshita, Nijashrita. So we have Raja Rajeshwari, Sha and Va, Raja Rajeshwari, Rajyadayini, Ja and Ya, Rajyadayini, Rajyavallabha. So Vallabha, Rajat Krupa. So many people will get confused that this kru, there is no bitva for this kru. Actually, it is so Rajat Krupa, but this Krupa has to kru. We should not stress here. Rajat Krupa. So Raja, there's no bitva in this kru. Rajapitha Niveshita Nijashrita. So Rajapitha, ta is a Mahaprana. Rajapitha Niveshita Nijashrita. So Shri and Ta. So there is a Ditvam happening in this case. Here Sha and Refa, and it's a consonant where it is getting doubled. So Nijashrita, but in this case K is not getting doubled. Shivani. Raja Rajeshwari.
राजराजेश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी
Rajyadayini.
राज्यदायिनी राज्यदायिनी
Rajyavallabha.
राज्यवल्लभा राज्यवल्लभा
राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा
राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा
राजत्कृपा
राजत्कृपा राजत्कृपा
राजपीठनिवेशित I'll split and teach this राजपीठनिवेशित
राजपीठनिवेशित राजपीठनिवेशित
निजाश्रिता
निजाश्रिता निजाश्रिता
राजकृपा राजपीठनिवेशित निजाश्रिता
राजत्कृपा राजपीठनिवेशित निजाश्रिता राजत्कृपा राजपीठनिवेशित निजाश्रिता
राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा राजत्कृपा राजपीठनिवेशित निजाश्रिता
राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा राजत्कृपा राजपीठनिवेशित निजाश्रिता राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा राजत्कृपा राजपीठनिवेशित निजाश्रिता
Come on. So here Rajarajeshwari is one name. It is one of the popular names, as you all know. Rajarajeshwaryai Namaha. It's a very popular name of Sri Lalitambika. Rajyadayini second, Rajyavallabha third, Rajatrupa fourth, Rajapitha Niveshita Nijashrita is one name. And there is a question from someone that is there a Visarga after Nijashrita? No, there's no Visarga in this case. It's Rajapitha Niveshita Nijashrita Dirgha, that's all. There is no Visarga in the text. So we have totally 5 names in this verse. 135th one. Rajya Lakshmihi Koshanatha Chaturanga Baleshwari. Rajya Lakshmihi Visarga. Then we have Ka. So after Visarga, if there is Ka, then we pronounce this as Rajya Lakshmi Koshanatha. So we will not pronounce, we will not chant full Visarga here. Rajya Lakshmi Koshanatha. Koshanatha, tha is a Mahaprana and Dirgha here. Chaturanga Baleshwari. Again, Chaturanga Baleshwari. Samrajyadayini, Samrajyadayini, Satyasandha, dha is a Mahaprana, Sagara Mekhala, kha is a Mahaprana. Vibha. First I will teach with Visarga and then I will chant it as one pada where we do not chant the full Visarga. Rajya Lakshmihi.
Rajyalakshmihi, Rajyalakshmihi,
Koshanatha,
Koshanatha, Koshanatha,
Chaturanga Baleshwari,
चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी
राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा
राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा
चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी
चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी
राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी
राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी
साम्राज्यदायिनी
साम्राज्यदायिनी साम्राज्यदायिनी
सत्यसन्धा
सत्यसन्धा सत्यसन्धा
सागरमेखला
सागरमेखला सागरमेखला
साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धा सागरमेखला
साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धा सागरमेखला साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धा सागरमेखला
राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धा सागरमेखला
राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धा सागरमेखला राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धा सागरमेखला
So we have Rajyalakshmi 1, Koshanatha, then we have Chaturanga-baleshwari 3, Samrajyadayini 4, Satyasandha, Sagara Mekhala. So we have 6 names in this verse. So I got a couple of questions regarding, since I remembered, I will try to answer it now. A couple of questions regarding how do we memorize Lalita Sahasranama, how can we remember and how can we memorize? So a couple of them have asked this question, and this is one of the questions which I have repeatedly got even in the previous batch also. So I can only tell from my experience. So one is of course practice. So daily chanting, or keeping a regular chanting and practice is what helps. But beyond that, what happens sometimes is we chant, but how we chant makes a difference. When I say how we chant, because of lack of time or whatever, we do not open up and pronounce it. Actually, we do not do the ucharanam fully. Instead of pronouncing it as Samrajyadayini Satyasandha. So what we will do, we will try to read. Instead of chanting, we read it. We read it from in the mind. We read it like how we read our textbooks. So this is how we will try to do the chanting, so that we will save time or so. But this will not help in memorization because anything when we pronounce, when we do the ucharana, that is what is going to help us in the memory part of it. If you have you might already know, I think even Sri Venkat Mahodaya also told in the class number 14 when he took the class, anything which is taught 10 times and repeated 10 times continuously will be getting registered very easily in our memory. So that repeating, or repeating doesn't mean just reading it like this. Repeating would mean actually repeating with right pronunciation and chanting it with opening up our vocal cords. It's not by just reading in our mind. So once we do this chanting, that is when it settles in our memory and will remain in our memory. So what we just read, especially this, I'm telling this with specific to the shlokas, the Samskrita shlokas. So it is, if it is chanted properly with proper pronunciation, that is when we can memorize. And of course, the other memorization techniques which all of you would be aware is, there's no shortcut for success. It is constant, consistent practice, consistent chanting. At least initially, very regularly, if we keep on doing, it will happen. So it's like if we do it today and then again I'll do it after only a week or 10 days, it would be very difficult to memorize. If you are doing it consistently, regularly, that is when we will be able to memorize. And last but very important is bhakti. So when we do it with bhakti, that means we are doing it with focus. So if we just do for the sake of memorization, no. If we're doing with that bhakti focus, then automatically we will have that in our memory. So just remember this, because there were multiple mails on this from couple of participants. So trying to address this. This is from my experience, what I'm telling. It could be different for different people also, or different subjects. So coming back to this, so in this verse, we have 6 names overall. So we'll move to the next verse. Dikshita, Dikshita, Daitya Shamani, Sarvaloka Vashankari. Dikshita, Daitya Shamani, Sarvaloka Vashankari, Sarvartha Datri, Savitri, Satchidananda Rupini. So here we have Dikshita, and so here the Shanmukha Sha will come, and then we have Daitya Shamani, Sarvaloka Vashankari, Dirgha. So everywhere, most of the names in Lalita Sahasranama will end with Dirgha, and in some cases with Visarga. Sarvartha Datri, Savitri, Tha is a Mahaprana in Sarvartha Datri. Savitri, Satchid, you can notice here there is a Cha and Cha. Satchidan, Alpa Prana, Satchidananda Rupini, again a Dirgha. Dikshita,
Dikshita, Dikshita,
Daitya Shamani,
Daitya Shamani, Daitya Shamani,
Sarvaloka Vashankari,
Sarvalokavashankari, Sarvalokavashankari,
Dikshita, Daitya Shamani, Sarvaloka Vashankari.
Dikshita Daitya Shamani, Sarvalokavashankari, Dikshita Daitya Shamani, Sarvalokavashankari,
Sarvarthadatri,
Sarvarthadatri, Sarvarthadatri,
Savitri,
सावित्री सावित्री
सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी
सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी
सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी
सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी
दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी सर्वलोकवशङ्करी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी
दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी सर्वलोकवशङ्करी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी सर्वलोकवशङ्करी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी
उत्तमम् दीक्षिता 1 दैत्यशमनी 2 सर्वलोकवशङ्करी 3 सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री so 4 and 5 सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी 6 so totally we have 6 names in this verse. So we'll move to the next one and last one for today. Deshakala parichinna Deshakala parichinna. So we have Alpaprana cha as well as Mahaprana cha in this case. So Deshakala, so there is a Dirgha here, please take note of this. Deshakala parichinna Sarvaga Sarvamohini Sarvaga Sarvamohini Saraswati Shastramayi Shastramayi Guhamba Guhya Rupini Guhamba Guhya Rupini Dirgha. Deshakala parichinna
देशकाला परिच्छिन्ना देशकाला परिच्छिन्ना
सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी
सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी
देशकाला परिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी
देशकाला परिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी देशकाला परिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी
सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी
सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी
गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी
गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी
सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी
सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी
देशकालापरिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी
देशकालापरिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी देशकालापरिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी
उत्तमं देशकालापरिच्छिन्ना 1 सर्वगा 2 सर्वमोहिनी so 3 names in the first line of this verse Saraswati Shastramayi Guhamba Guhyarupini so 4 different names so 3 plus 4 7 names in this particular verse so we will stop the verses new verses today here I request the attendees to raise hands for chanting. So we'll try to chant from 121st verse. Harman Jyoti Singh, I have unmuted you. Harman Jyoti Singh. Okay, I can't hear you, so I'll move on to the next person. Shubha Bhatt Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Darandolita dirghakshi darahasojvalanmukhi Gurumurtir gunanidir gomata guhajannabuhu.
Uttamam, just I'll chant once, listen and try and see if you can repeat it the same way. Darandolita dirghakshi darahasojvalanmukhi Gurumurtir gunanidhir gomata guhajanmabhuhu
Darandolita dirghakshi darahasojvalanmukhi Gurumurtir gunanidir gomata guhajanmabhuhu.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. So basically I wanted to stress on the importance of telling the Dirghaksharas. So that's why I requested you to chant again. Mahalakshmi Bhagini. Mahalakshmi Bhagini. Okay, can't hear. Geeta Vinod Bhagini.
Namaskaram.
Okay. Namaskara Mahalakshmi Bhagini. You can chant this one.
Deveshi Dandanitista Dara Kaksharupini Pratipanmukya Rakanta Tidi Mandala Pujita.
So what we do is you chanted well. Second line, little bit of pause was taken in between. The second line is actually one name, so you have to chant it together. Okay. So, but if you can follow the tune, it will be you will enjoy the chanting also. Deveshi Dandanitistha Daharakasharupini Pratipanmukya मुख्यराकान्ततिथिमण्डलपूजिता. Like this. So
Okay,
that
okay.
comes over practice.
Okay.
So Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Geeta Bhagini. I've unmuted you. Yes. Can you try?
Namo Namah.
Namaste.
कलात्मिका कलानाथा काव्यालापविनोदिनी सचामर रमावाणि सव्यदक्षिणसेविता.
Okay. So two things, Bhagini here. One is in the first line, second pada, Kavyalapavinodini. Kavyalapavinodini. Can you chant?
याद दीर्घं न उक्तवती वा?
अत्र काव्या व या अपि अस्ति किल संयुक्ताक्षरः अस्ति. So
अस्तु.
there is a samyuktakshara. So this b will be, you will find the dvitvam here. So yes. Can you try?
कलात्मिका कलानाथा काव्यालापनि विनोदिनी.
Uttamam. So that is fine now. So here Sachamara Ramavani. So this is a Dirgha. So here you have to chant Sachamara Ramavani Savya Dakshina Sevita. Can you try? No pause. Okay.
अस्तु. सचामर रमावाणी सव्यदक्षिणसेविता.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
Anita Suraj Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am. आदिशक्तिरमेयात्मा परमा भावनाकृतिः अनेककोटि ब्रह्माण्ड जननी दिव्यविग्रहा.
Second line I will teach once. Aneka koti brahmanda janani divya vigraha.
अनेककोटि ब्रह्माण्ड जननी दिव्य विग्रहा.
So here after this koti and then brahmanda, okay, just listen in this part. Aneka koti brahmanda, there is a doubling of ba here. Aneka koti brahmanda janani divya vigraha.
अनेककोटि ब्रह्माण्ड जननी दिव्य विग्रहा.
Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Shivashankar BV Mahodaya. Not able to hear you.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Klinkari kevala guhya kaivalya padadayini Tripura Trijagadvandya Trimurtis Tridasheshwari.
Okay. So here, well chanted Mahodaya. Just in this, I'll just mute you because there's some disturbance, and I will just tell where there needs to be a little bit of correction. Klinkari kevala guhya. This is okay. Kaivalya. So Kaivalya. So this here, lya. So listen. Kaivalya. Okay. Kaivalya padadayini. Tripura Trijagadvandya Trimurtis Tridasheshwari. This is how we chant this verse. Dhanyavadaha Shivashankar Mahodaya. Venkatachalam Mahodaya. Can you chant the same verse, please?
Yes, ma'am. And please don't mistake in my name, ma'am. Ananya.
Ananya, what you do is you put your display name as Ananya, okay? So I will remember always. For me, it shows as Venkatachalam. So when you joined, right, you put your display name as Ananya. So I'll remember. Okay?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. क्लीन्कारी केवला गुह्या कैवल्यपददायिनी त्रिपुरा त्रिजगद्वन्द्या त्रिमूर्तिस्त्रितशेश्वरी.
Uttamam Ananya. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Kaivalya Padadayini should be. Priyamanu.
क्लीङ्कारी केवला गुह्या कैवल्यपददायिनी त्रिपुरा त्रिजगद्वन्द्या त्रिमूर्तिस्त्रिदशेश्वरी.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. E.H. Rajeshwari. Have unmuted you. E.H. Rajeshwari Bhagini. Okay, I'm not able to hear, so I'll move to the next person. Bangaru Kamakshi Bhagini. You're on, yes.
Yeah.
Can you try this?
Namaskara Bhagini. My
Namaskar.
granddaughter is there with me. If she makes some sound, Shamyata.
No problem.
Trakshakari Divya Gandhatya Sinduri Tilakanchita Uma Shailendra Thanaya Gauri Gandharva Sevita.
Shall I chant once? Will you repeat after me, Bhagini? Triakshari
Tyakshari
Divya Gandhadhya
Divya Gandhatya
Sindura Tilakanchita
Sindura Tilakanchita
Uma Shailendra Tanaya
Uma Shailendra Thanaya
Gauri Gandharva Sevita.
Gauri Gandharva Sevita.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
E.H. Rajeshwari Bhagini, would you like to chant now? Vishwagarbha, 127th verse. I've unmuted you, but I'm not. You're also unmuted, but I'm not able to hear you.
श्रूयते वा? इदानीं श्रूयते वा महोदय?
इदानीं श्रूयते, सम्यक् श्रूयते.
त्रयक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता उमा शैलेन्द्रतनया गौरी गन्धर्वसेविता.
Uttamam Bhagini. In the first part, actually, this we won't pronounce this as Trayakshari. This is Triakshari. 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 Can you repeat this? Triakshari Divya Gandhadhya. Can you just repeat the first pada?
त्र्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता उमा शैलेन्द्रतनया गौरी गन्धर्वसेविता.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
You can go on mute. Navyashri. Navyashri Bhagini.
Hari Om Bhagini.
Hari Om. Can you try this?
सर्व वेदांत संवेद्या सत्यानन्दस्वरूपिणी लोकमुद्रार्चिता लीलक्लिप्त ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
I will chant once, you can repeat after me. Repeat once. Sarva Vedanta Samvedya
सर्ववेदान्त संवेद्या
Satyananda Swarupini
सत्यानन्दस्वरूपिणी
Lopamudrarchita Leela Klupta Brahmanda Mandala
लोपामुद्रार्चिता लीलक्लिप्त ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Listen carefully. This is Leela Klupta Brahmanda Mandala. Leela Dirgha, okay?
Should I repeat it once?
Yes.
लीलाक्लिप्त ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Dhanyavadaha. I think, did I miss the one? No, we chanted this, right? Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha, we didn't chant, is it? Kshamyatam. So we'll chant this. Rekha Bhagini, do you want to chant this? Rekha Bhagini?
Bhagini, can you hear me? Bhagini, Ram Ram Ram.
Ram, I can hear you.
Shall I start, Bhagini?
Yes, please.
विश्वगर्भा स्वर्णगर्भा वरदा वागदीश्वरी ध्यानगम्या परिच्छेद्या ज्ञानदा ज्ञानविग्रहा.
I will chant once, you can repeat. Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha Varada Vagadhishwari.
विश्वगर्भा स्वर्णगर्भा वरदा वागदीश्वरी
ध्यानगम्या परिच्छेद्या
ध्यानगम्या परिच्छेद्या
ज्ञानदा ज्ञानविग्रहा.
ज्ञानदा ज्ञानविग्रहा.
Dhanyavadaha. So we'll stop here. We will meet tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. IST. Again, apologies for postponing the pronunciation tips session. I will try to do it tomorrow, if not on Friday. Krupaya Kshamyatam. So we'll do the Mangalam and close the class. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Triambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.